Now let's see some of the important features from this toolbar. Now if we want to import an audio file, we have to go to files, then click on import and then audio, and let's say I want to import this audio file, and see that this new audio file has been generated on a different track, and this is also an stereo recording channel. So now you can mix both the tabs together. Let's see how you can do that. Let's have a look which this track is. And at the same time my recorded voice is also getting played. So now if I want to say modify something, I can mute any of the tracks from here. So if I click on mute on this part, so this particular track will get muted, and you can edit the second track without having any disturbance from the previous track. And suppose you want to mute this particular track, so click on mute from here, and then the second track will be silent, and you can go for editing with the first track without any disturbance. Let's have a look. Audacity is a free, open source, cross-platform, multi-track. Now say I want to mix both the tracks together, this voiceover as well as this background music. So for that I need to select both the tracks together, and then I go to tracks, and here's an option called mix and render. So you can see now that both the tracks have been mixed together. Okay, so now if we listen to this, now you see that the volume of the second track is too higher, that it is overpowering the first track, that is my recorded voice. So how can we change that? Now you can see that the volume of the second track is much higher than the volume of the first track. So first of all we have to equalize that. We select this file, go to effects, then noise reduction, okay, get noise profile, then again go to effects, click on OK. So our recorded file is ready with all the effects. Now that I want to mix both the files together, so let me select say this much portion of both the files, and then let me go to the tracks from here, go to mix, and here's an option called mix and render. If I click on this, you see that both the tracks have been mixed together to a single track. Now if I play this, the free, open source, cross-platform, multi-track audio editor and recorder, which is available for Windows, Mac, Linux and other operating systems. So now you can see that I have joined both the tracks, one recorded voice and the other was imported automatic audio file, which I have used to make a single audio clip. So this way you can join and mix audio files as per your wish. Let me quickly show you some other effects that you can use with Audacity. Suppose you want to cut a particular portion from your audio, so for that let me select this portion and I want it to be zoomed in, and let's hear what's this is our audio, and now I want to cut this portion. I do not want this portion from my audio. Okay, so for cutting this, the simple option is press Ctrl X and the part will be removed from your audio. Now have a look. For the second track as well, I do not want whole of the track, and I select whichever part is not required and I press Ctrl X, and the part will be deleted from the audio clip. Now suppose I want to cut a particular portion from my audio and I want to paste it somewhere. So I can select that particular portion, and if I want to cut it, I can simply click Ctrl X. This portion is deleted, and wherever I want to paste it, I put my cursor here and I click on Ctrl V. Now one more thing I want to mention over here, that this portion which is called the tools toolbar, this icon is called the selection tool, which is important, and this particular tool is called a move tool, which is called the time shift tool as well. So let's have a look about the utility of these tools. With this selection tool, you can select a particular portion of your audio file, and suppose I have chosen this portion from my audio file, and if I click Ctrl I, so this portion is splitted from the audio clip, and by using this move tool, I can move this particular clip from here to there. So this portion is detached from the original file. So you can see this was the original file, and since I have cut this portion, so this portion has been splitted from the original file, and you can move this splitted file in suitable position according to your need. And this toolbar called the playback speed toolbar. So if you increase the level of this toolbar, again you can listen to the audio track. You can use this tool as well. So whenever you increase the level of this playback speed, your voice will sound differently. Now it's time to finally extract our audio file. So how to do that? For that we need to go to the file again, click on export, and here are the options on which you can export your file, your desired file. You can export it as MP3, you can export it as a WAV, or you can export it as OGG as well. So I would recommend that if you are done with your final recording, that means you do not have anything to do, then you export it as MP3. But if you think that there are still something that needs to be edited, then you choose to export it as a WAV file. I export it as an MP3 file. Here you will be asked to give a file name. I give it Audacity tutorial, and save as type MP3. And after clicking on OK, this dialog box will appear where you will be asked to give the artist name. So like if you put the artist name, let's say I put Info Bits only, and the track title, say Audacity, and you can give the album title as well, the track number as well, the years and read comments, etc. and click on OK. So your file has been exported in the desired format. And now to find your saved file, you go to the file again and go to open, and here you will see this is the MP3 file called Audacity tutorial. If I click on here, free open source cross-platform multi-track audio editor and recorder. So my final product is ready with all the mixing and with all the effects. So finally you can have a beautiful product, beautiful audio file of your choice without any noise and with your desired effects. Hope you liked this video tutorial about Audacity. Please let us know in the comment section below. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for never missing any updates on ICT, EdTech, infotainment and technology related news. Thank you for watching.